Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make this real cool slime. So before I did this video, before I do this video, don't forget to press that like button and subscribe this video and comment down below of what video should I do next. So this slime is super good, it's not sticking to my hands, and by the way, I'm doing a voiceover right now. I love doing voiceovers, but not all of my videos. And yeah, so this slime is instant soap slime. You can use this for washing your hands, and it's not sticking to your slime. If you want a clear slime, wait for 5 hours and do not touch it, because you definitely don't need to touch it if it's on the process of getting clear. So yeah, so I'm just gonna put this in the container, and this is the slime. I really like this slime. So the things you're gonna be needing are a bowl, something to mix with, and something to mix in. Just a mini spoon. You need baking soda, not baking powder. It should be baking soda. And the last ingredient, which is the important one, is hand soap. So this hand soap is the personal care, but